Hello ladies and gentlemen. On today's video, I'm going to be working on this Nintendo Switch controller. Basically, the problem with this controller is, which on this light right here, you can actually see perfectly, it's out of place. So what I'm going to try to do is just put it back in place. The buttons seem okay, joystick. And if this ever happens to you, then this video is for you. Let's go. So you want to be careful when you open it up. There's a wire right there. That seems like the Bluetooth connection. Alright, so this is what keeps popping up. So as you can see, this came out of the housing. Let me see if you can see it a little better. Looks good. So I don't see no tears. Only thing is, there's a broken part right in here. So let's see how this will go in. Let's see. Okay. Well, this one, I can still fix it. I'll just put some glue down here. Okay, it should just come up. That's the battery. Let's remove the antenna for the Bluetooth connection. Now, how to get down here to connect this. Let's see how this goes. A little tricky. You can see this right here. It's gonna be tricky to put back in, but you want to lift it up. There we go. You want to lift it up. Take those off. There you go. This one is gonna be tricky to put back in. Alright, so let's put all the screws together. Alright, so let's go back to this housing. And we first got to work with this. So I got to first fix it up like this. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put this back together with some hot glue. So the only thing I can do is put hot glue. Connect it real good with hot glue. That way it has support on both ends. And then from there, we're just gonna put it all back together. Okay, because nothing else is broken. Only thing is I'm missing the button to this. It's not around here. So I'll be right back. Alright. So waiting up to my glue machine heats up a little bit. So the only bad thing about this repair is that the button that's the little Bluetooth chip. The button that used to go there, it's not there anymore, which is located right here. But you still will have access to it if you just put like a pencil or something pointing in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put hot glue all in the bottom, hold it down, let it sit in there nice and neat. That way it has support all the way around. After that, then I start putting everything back together. Alright, so I gotta do this quick. Alright, here we go. There we go. Nailed it. There we go. The easiest way to fix any component. There we go. That breaks off. Alright, let's get that out the way. So now, we'll just add a little tat right here. The Bluetooth. There we go. It's nice and strong. Okay, here we go. Take it apart like this. This one. There you go. To me, it's the easiest way. Doing it like this, removing it and placing it, and then putting the home button on. Because it's going to be impossible for me to slide that in there without breaking this wire. So, if there is another way, I apologize. You'll find a video that's easier. Comes off easily, okay. You see? So now we can put this without a problem. Which goes like this. And we can put every other component together. So first, before I forget, put this back in. Here we go. That's in. Make sure. Yeah, that was in. Is in. Okay, now that that's in. Sometimes we don't think. Alright, so now before I put this back in, let's put this like this. Then put the screw that belongs in there back in. Sorry, I meant to say springs. Alright, first thing you want to do is push these ends back in the corner like this, and then press down. There you go. Working perfectly. I can flip it like this and work with it now, you know? Number one. Alright, here we go. There we go. Close that one up. Too much strength, huh? Hold it like this, I think I have a better chance. There we go. Is it in? Now it's in. Alright. Last but not least, let's move the Bluetooth out the way. You it open just like that. And this, it sits down. Alright, there we go. Now we get to close it up. Just bring this in a little bit. I want this. There we go. Push it backwards like that. Let's make sure we push it in smoothly, not too tight. I was holding it back. I see. It's this piece of glue right here. It's the glue getting in the way. Let's try again. See, now it closes better. See? It looks much better closed. Yep. Alright, so let's close this bad boy up. Sure or not, the controller is actually working. I'm gonna hit the top buttons. Look, after charging, as you can see, it's working perfectly. Now, I'm gonna hit the little circle button in the middle. Same with this controller to show you that it's working properly. There you go. And the last thing that I'm going to show you is it working with the Nintendo Switch. As you can see, it's paired. You can see here it's paired. See, look, buttons. All of it works. You can hear it. See? So, thank you for watching. And have a blessed day. Goodbye.